Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act. Make sure Node and NPM are up to date and that you have a React project initialized. Once done, add the Ghpages package as a dev dependency so deployment scripts can run. Next, edit package. JSON. Set the home page field to your GitHub Pages URL and add predeploy and deploy scripts. These changes enable the build to target the correct base path and let Ghpages publish the built files automatically. Now configure package. JSON precisely because route resolution depends on it. Add the home page line pointing to username. GitHub. io/repo and create predeploy npm run build and deploy Ghpages dbuild scripts. Once configured, run npm run build to produce a static build folder optimized for production. After the build completes, execute npm run deploy. Ghpages will publish the build folder to a Ghpages branch. This sequence automates publishing, so the site is available under GitHub Pages without manual branch copying. Finish by confirming GitHub repository settings. Ensure Pages is serving from the Ghpages branch and that the homepage URL matches your repo. Once live, test navigation across your app and watch the browser console for 404 errors, which usually indicate a wrong homepage path. If single-page app routes return 404, switch to a hash router or add a redirect /400 for fallback to serve index. HTML. Make sure to clear caches and redeploy after fixes. This resolves most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.